Window installation is a vital part of improving your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. In Mesa, where temperatures can soar during the summer and drop significantly in winter, proper window installation becomes even more crucial. If not done correctly, improper installation can lead to drafts, higher energy bills, and costly repairs. To help homeowners avoid these pitfalls, here are 5 common mistakes to avoid during window installation in Mesa. Neglecting proper measurement and sizing. One of the most common mistakes during window installation is not getting the proper measurements. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, accurate measurements are essential for ensuring the right fit. A window that's too small can leave gaps that will compromise insulation, while one that's too large may not fit into the window frame properly. In Mesa's extreme weather conditions, improperly sized windows can lead to poor insulation, allowing hot air in during summer and cold air in winter. This can drive up your energy bills and make your home less comfortable. Make sure that your contractor measures each window carefully and double-checks those measurements to avoid future issues. Choosing the wrong type of window for the climate. Not all windows are created equal, and choosing the wrong type can lead to long-term issues. In Mesa, where the desert climate is harsh, it's essential to select windows that are built to handle extreme heat, UV rays, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient windows with low emissivity, low E coatings and insulated glass are particularly beneficial in this climate, as they help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy usage. Avoid the mistake of choosing windows based purely on aesthetics or cost without considering their suitability for your local climate. A window that offers strong insulation and UV protection will ensure your home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter, all while reducing the load on your HVAC system. Skipping professional installation. While DIY projects can be tempting, window installation is one task that should always be left to the professionals. Improper installation can result in gaps, leaks, and poor insulation, making your windows ineffective at regulating indoor temperatures. It's especially critical in Mesa's climate, where a poorly sealed window can allow drafts, leading to increased energy consumption and discomfort. A professional window installer will ensure that the windows are properly flashed, sealed, and insulated to prevent air and water infiltration. They also have the right tools and expertise to handle the job, minimizing the risk of costly mistakes or damage to your property. Skipping this step may save money initially, but the long-term costs of poor installation can outweigh the initial savings. Ignoring proper ventilation and moisture control. In Mesa, where monsoon rains are a part of the seasonal weather, moisture control is essential during window installation. A mistake often made is failing to properly address potential moisture buildup or poor ventilation around windows. Without proper sealing and flashing, rainwater can seep into the window frame, leading to rot, mold, or mildew. This can affect not only the window but also the surrounding walls, leading to much bigger and more expensive repairs. Make sure that the window installer uses high-quality flashing and caulking materials to prevent moisture infiltration. Additionally, proper ventilation around the window is crucial to ensure that your home remains dry and mold-free. Ask your installer about moisture protection methods they use to avoid these issues. Failing to consider long-term maintenance needs. Many homeowners focus on the upfront costs and installation process without thinking about the long-term maintenance of their windows. Overlooking the maintenance needs of your new windows can lead to premature wear and tear, especially in a desert climate like Mesa's. For example, neglecting to clean or properly seal the windows regularly can result in dirt buildup, reduced efficiency, and eventual damage to the frame or glass. Before installation, discuss the maintenance requirements with your contractor and make sure you understand what's necessary to keep your windows in top condition. Choosing low-maintenance options, such as vinyl or fiberglass windows, can make it easier to keep your windows looking and performing great for years to come. Conclusion. Window installation is a big investment, and taking the time to avoid these common mistakes will ensure you get the most value out of your new windows. By focusing on accurate measurements, choosing the right type of window, hiring a professional installer, ensuring moisture control, and considering long-term maintenance, you'll enjoy energy-efficient, durable windows that stand up to the unique climate challenges in Mesa. With proper planning and execution, your new windows will not only enhance the beauty and comfort of your home but also provide lasting benefits for years to come.